Hi, Saul from Cheap Alarm Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade the firmware on a Bosch B426-M Ethernet module. You will need the free A-Link download software, the latest B426-M firmware, a solution 2, 3 or 4000 panel with a Bosch B426-M currently connected and working, and connection to your local network from a computer. To download the firmware, just head to our webpage www.cheapalarmparts.com.au and head to Alarm Kits, Bosch Alarm Kits, Solution 3000s, and then the software page. And on this page, you'll see we have the latest firmware for the B426-M. Just to the right, we've got the latest software, the A-Link download software. We also keep copies of the firmware for the main panel if you need that. So to download, all you need to do is click on the download button, and this takes you to a OneDrive link. And in this folder, we have the latest version of the firmware. Here it is. So you can click on that, click on download, and download it to your computer. Let's have a quick look at the B426-M. Make sure the mode connector does not have a link on it and that the address has been left at 1. Some Bosch instructions tell you to change it to a 9, but this is only required if it hasn't been installed and hasn't had an IP address yet. Also, have a look at your Ethernet connection. Make sure you have a link light and you've got your data light flashing just to prove that it's connected to your network and it's working. Now it's time to open A-Link and create a new customer so we can find the IP address of the unit. No need to fill out any information up here, just go straight to IP address and hit search. This will bring up a little search box. Hit start and it will search your network for any B426-M units. And it's found the one on my desk. Here is the MAC address, and here's the IP address that we need, 192.168.0.66. So let's close that, and we'll jump into Google. Now we'll type in the address that we just found as https://192.168.0.66. Obviously you use the address you found, and it will bring up this your connection is not private page. So just click on advanced, click on proceed unsafe, and it will bring up the B426-M login page. The password is all in capitals, B42V2, and then just hit login. Don't change the password ever, otherwise it might lock you out. Now on the page, it's fairly easy from this point on. Click on maintenance. Then we're going to find firmware upgrade enable, make sure it says yes, and then click OK. And do not save and execute, just ignore that. Go and do the firmware update, and it says that the unit won't work while we're updating, so that's okay. Just hit the OK button and wait for it to initialize. Now we'll just hit continue. And this is where we upload the file we downloaded from the website. So click choose file and it will bring up a folder. There's the file, click open, and then we hit update. Now I'm going to do the rest of this in real time. So it's downloading the firmware file to the B426-M. And now it's installing the file on the unit itself. This takes a bit of time, so just be patient. And now the unit is finished the update, it's just doing a reboot. So we'll wait until the countdown reaches 0 and refresh the page. And it's done, so we can now hit re-login. It takes a moment or two before you get to the login page. And we're back to the login page. We type the password in again, and then click on login. And we're pretty much done. We just need to make sure the firmware is taken properly. So wait for the page to load. And here we can see firmware version is 3.13.208, which is the current version. So we're all done and dusted. We've upgraded the firmware in your B426-M.
If you enjoyed today's video, leave your comments below and like and subscribe to our channel. Also catch us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to visit our website where you can find all the equipment we've spoken about today at www.cheapalarmparts.com.au. See you next time.